Topview AI just introduced their drama studio, and it's pretty insane. You can create your mini-series, your whole drama series, and basically get full creative control over the production. In this video, I am going to show you how you can use the drama studio at its finest without repeating the mistakes which I repeated. So, first of all, you have to go to the Topview AI website, as usual, and log in using your Google or email. On this site, you can see a clean UI. First, they introduced their Video Agent version 1 and version 2, and now they have introduced Drama Studio. Also, on the left-hand side, you can see the button called Drama Studio. Just click on that button and you will enter a new page where you can see the clean UI as it's stating one-person AI Drama Studio. Okay, here you can simply type your idea, upload your script or a novel, whatever. So for this demo review, I'm going to upload one small script of Alexander the Great, okay? And just select a single episode and the professional writer, okay? And then send it to the drama studio. Another page will open in front of you. Here you get an AI assistant for writing, and first it will ask you for your art style, like theatrical, cinematic, modern microdrama, etc. So I am selecting microdrama. Then single episode or series with multiple episodes, so single episode for now. Then your aspect ratio, I am making it for short form, 9:16. Then for episode duration, I am giving a manual 30 seconds. Then English, and for all ages, I am turning on auto review and optimize on. And below, you can see you have creative control according to your audience, genre, etc. You can select that too, okay? Also, in the art style, you can select animation, Ghibli, or anime, etc. And you can also give your custom instructions for the art style, okay? Once you have done all of this art selection and everything, then confirm and start creating. Then, the agent will be deployed here. It will review your script and everything, ask you a bunch of questions in a row, and basically do everything for you. And it's pretty good. You get an LLM model which is running in the background and reviewing your product. It will generate in sequence. First, it will generate the outline and script, then it will generate characters, then the environment, then props. Okay, simple. I can see it's generating the outlines here and asking me a bunch of questions. And now it has generated the outline script, as you can see here, okay. I can also add a different script, edit this script, optimize it using AI, or export this script too, as you can see with all these buttons above. After generating the outline and script, it will generate the prompts for characters. Okay, so for the demo, I am going with the flow and without a lot of changes to the AI suggestions. Now, if you wonder what's in the script, it's just a normal script on Alexander the Great, his birth, and then how he conquered almost the world. So that's all in the script. It's just a 20-second script, but I mistakenly typed 30 seconds there. After a little time, it has generated the characters. The first one is Alexander the Great, okay? Then his mother, and then a random character, I don't know who he is, the courtier. And then it has generated the environment. This means you have to review the prompt and you just click on generate, and it generates the environment, characters, and props, okay? So legitimately review all of these prompts and then later on hit generate. Okay, the environments look good, like a Persian throne, then a Macedonian palace, okay. Then a random one, oceanfront or coastline. Then the props, the sword of Alexander, then the throne, then his mother's necklace. Go back to the outline script and click on enter video production. It will open a new panel in front of you where you have the different prompts for your scenes, which you can edit. Okay, it pre-aligns all your scenes, loads all the image references, and gives the structured prompt. So if you want to tweak it, just add your tweaks in the prompt and add your reference here. Okay, and also you can select the model. There are currently two models, Seedance 2.0 and Seedance 2.0 Fast. You can also select the duration, the generation count, and the total duration of the scene. Okay, then just simply click on generate video and it will start generating. It will take a few minutes. According to them, it takes 5 minutes. And simply generate other scenes too, okay? By clicking them or aligning it with your vision for your video production. Also, on the right-hand side, you can see that you can upload your own scenes here too, if you have generated them previously. And in the format section, you can select different formats they have given here. Okay, let's wait till it generates. So now it has generated. I also did some tweaks to the original one, downloaded all the scenes, tweaked the character and the prompts, and let's see how it turned out.
In 356 BC, within the stone walls of a Macedonian palace, a child was born under a sky split by lightning. His mother, Olympias, whispered a single prophecy. This boy would not just rule a kingdom, he would own the world. By 30, Alexander had done what no man before him dared dream. Greece, Persia, Egypt, India, an empire stretching across 3 continents, forged not by chance, but by the will of one unstoppable king.
And it's bad. I know it's kind of bad and a little sloppy, but I am bad at prompting, that I know. And you do not have to repeat the same mistake. Review the prompts carefully, review the AI assistant, which is writing carefully, and then move forward with what aligns with your vision and find what works best for you. For that purpose, if you need any inspiration, simply click on the project board here at the top. Here you can see your previous generations and the inspiration which you can take from different people out there. Okay, and if you go to the left-hand side, you can see a video button. If you click on Omni References, you can see other people's videos and you can take inspiration from them by their prompts and by their prompting style, okay? I'm just going back to the video production panel. To export the video, you can simply see the export button above, okay? Just click on that export button, merge video, and then start export, and it will start downloading your video, okay? And that's all for today's video. I think you must work around these models, explore them, and find what works best for you. Which model works for you best? And for the pricing of Topview AI, if I go back to their pricing, you can see that they are having a $0 plan, $16 plan, $44 plan, and a $50 plan. Okay, choose according to your needs if you are already working in AI. And if you want to start fresh, just explore their free plan and inspirations on their website. All the links are in the description, so don't forget to check them out. Thanks for watching, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. If you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments.